there's no daylight. I'm scared.
We're in our KC. We just dropped my mom off at work. And now, we're going to IHOP.
And Mary Pat's into that. Yeah, we told some guy we were going to run him over, and he looked at us.
Yeah, it was like, he walked out from the car when I started it. So I was like, I'm going to run you over! And then he looked at us.
Yeah,
you did 55 miles an hour. If you're going to pull out in front of me, you need to go a little faster, buddy. I'm alive again. More alive than I have been in my whole entire life. I can't see.
Yeah, what the hell?
Hello? I love him, and he's so vulgar.
Yeah, I think that's why everybody likes him. Because he's a vulgar white man.
Pass the microphone, bitch. I'm gonna let you finish in a minute. That rap is tight. I know the words.
Oh my god. Oh, okay.
Why don't you keep leaving? Because I'm a good girl, and changing lanes is dangerous. But the reason why my mom has been in minimal amount of accidents is because she's not a lane changer. So basically, she like vows. She stands by the not changing lanes thing.
These to lunches, but if you're still coming up short at the end of the month, try this. Give a State Farm agent a call for a free discount double check. An agent can make sure you're getting the car insurance discounts you deserve, up to 40%. So call, click, or visit an agent today.
In Orlando, call me.
This is our old middle school. Me and Mary Pat's old middle
In
school.
Longwood, call me, Ed Brown.
It hasn't changed that much for the front. What? Cop. Oh, really? Yeah.
Pick up a 50-piece chicken McNugget pack for just $12.99, or for a little more.
Okay, maybe we
large
should
fries and 2 large sausages. I'm loving it.
Making sure we get out of here.
Stop, I can't stop.
Most commercials.
He's not putting his lights on.
He's just following us?
Yeah, I guess.
So, maybe we should get out of St. Cloud.
We were going to show you the high school too, but I guess the cops in St. Cloud don't like school tours. We're at the flea market now, and Melissa's about to get me this for my birthday, and I'm excited. Right, Melissa?
Yes.
They have like a bunch of cool stuff here, like fairies and dragons and awesome. Right, Mary Pat?
Right, Naomi.
Keep going.
Got a name of that.
Good morning.
She's lost. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You got tiny, so it'll be okay.
Pictures of me. Oh, okay.
You're so cute. Oh, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, that's small.
I heard
The father's right about 11 pounds and the female's about 6 pounds. So she's only 2 pounds bigger than that.
Okay, so we're getting Naomi's bed. You got that? The stuff, 1, 2, 3. And then now we're ready, I think, to check out. Oh. You got the mattress?
I get home and I'm like, oh, I'm not going to sleep. Put that back. Hold up. Are those mattresses?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Label this stuff up just like a pillow. Well, we might as well just get the mattress, being that we're here. Bin 4.
Hey, look. Oh, you're freaking
That's bin 4.
No, but
Full.
that's what we're going to have to strap to the car. That's bin 4.
Oh my god. Wait. Okay.
I'm terrible my husband is around. Nobody can help her with that.
You have the wrong. Okay, I'll try.
I'm not finished right now.
Yeah, but oh boy.
Oh shit.
You got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. We're waiting for Mary Pat to come with my bed base splattered thing. Bed slats? Bed slits? I don't... Flats? This is my stuff. My pillows and my sheets and my pillowcases. And it's all like gray. Mary Pat's doing all the dirty work.
Yay, we're Saxon tonight. We're volunteering as Saxon tonight. Look, a rainbow. I don't know if you can see it on here. A rainbow, look.
I'm going to hot up the revolution, you know, I want to cool it down. If we make people laugh, that's enough. Happiness is a good life for peace.
It's like, oh, 4. Yeah. Take it.
Peace, 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 peace. And peace on earth, peace at work, peace at home, peace in the world.